All right, today we got another Ducati here. Customer sent in the dashboard, send in the ignition lock. Basically, this is going to be, let me look at the paperwork real quick. 2017 Ducati 979 Monster. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to decode the ignition lock, figure out what the existing cuts are, make two keys for it, because the customer wants two keys, and then we're going to program the chip data into the dash. We'll come back in a little bit with everything done. All right, this puppy is done. Here you go, two keys made from scratch. We didn't have a key card, no key codes, no nothing. So we just had to decode the locks, figure out what it is. Oh, here we go. Park, stand bolt lock, on, off, on, off. On, off, stand bolt lock. So this key works through all positions. If you have somebody that make you a key that only goes from off to on, then that's not a complete key. Both these keys do have chips, so it will start the bike. You want to know how I know how to start the bike? Because I'm the one who coded the keys. I made sure it was formatted correctly. I made sure the data was on it that the bike needs to start. Here you go, key 1 and key 2. Let's read it. There you go. Key 2 is done. So that one's going to be key 1, key 2. I color code them. Yeah, that's basically how I know it's going to work, because like I said, I'm the one who coded the keys, wrote the data on it, made sure it was formatted correctly for Ducati, so the system will understand the key, allow the bike to start, and that's it. You back up and running. The bike won't even know the difference. Once you stick the keys in, put everything back together, this is plug and play. The bike is just going to see what's in memory, which is these two keys, allow the bike to start, and you're back up and running. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. Keep in mind, I don't repair bikes. So if you have other issues with the bike, that's not what I do. I'm not a specialist at that. I only deal with the keys and the programming. But also, those of you that call me and wondering why other people can't do this type of work, a couple reasons. One, they may not have the training, which is obvious. Two, they may not have the equipment. Could be a couple reasons for that. Maybe they don't get enough calls for it, or they just don't have a desire to learn to do this type of work. So if it was me, if I don't get enough calls, I'm not buying the equipment. It just ain't a smart business decision. But that's about it. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.